Welcome everybody to the live. I'm giving you a new tax refund update today, you guys. If you have any questions, make sure you post it below. Okay, what's going on with tax refund delays for 2025? A lot of people still have not received their refund. Of course, if you're watching this video, you already know. A lot of you have been commenting, telling me that you haven't received your refund. Where is that? Well, you guys, I know last Monday, some people did start receiving some of the refunds that were delayed. And then it's another update that a lot of people are saying for the 29th. So if you receive a due date for the 29th or sometime in September this month, make sure you drop a comment. If you haven't received your refund yet, make sure you drop a comment also. If you received a letter or notice about your refund for 2025, you may have a balance due. Your refund may have changed. Also, it might be a question about your tax return. You need to verify identity if you haven't already. And some people told me, look, they already have told me some people have already verified identity way up in March and April, and they still haven't received their refund. It's just you make sure that you reach out to your state congressman. Okay, that's what they are for if you haven't already. Okay, if you don't receive a response from people that are in your congressman office, go to house.gov or senator.gov. So if, for instance, I'm gonna give you an example. If you reach out to your congressman from the House of Representatives, you get no response back. It's been 30 days, no response, no nothing. Make sure you reach out also to your senator state because one of them may help you with this. Welcome, you guys, for those of you coming in. Again, a lot of people have not received their refund. It's still 2025, late in September. I tell you guys every year, if you haven't received your refund by now, sometimes it may, and a lot of people don't want to hear it, it may be next year. But a lot of taxpayers don't want to hear that. What is currently going on with your refund? A lot of you receive letters. Some of those notices could be you have a balance due. You have a refund that's changed. It's been reduced. It's been lowered. You have a tax offset. It's a question about your tax return and your information that you provided. Okay. You may need to verify identity. If you have already verified identity, that's fine. It's just going to continue to keep you updated about the progress of your tax return. Also, they may have corrected your return. So the due dates that people receiving last Monday, people were getting refunds again. And also the new refund date for those of you who haven't received it has a lot of people been saying the 29th. And the reason I know is because of the tax refund groups that are on different social media sites that you can go in and see that people have received it and what they're saying. And that's the reason why. If they say a lot of people call on the phone and then the representative tell them something, make sure you guys that you are paying attention to if they send you a letter, because sometimes people on the phone, they're very busy after tax season, because a lot of people, again, you're not the only one who has not received your refund. It's a lot of taxpayers who still have not received it. So, okay, when you talk to these representatives, I always tell people every year after tax season, be nice. Being nice takes you a long way. Sometimes the representatives be a little, some people have an attitude, but make sure that you be nice to them and you'll be surprised that sometimes you get the help that you need quickly. If you be rude, you guys, that is not going to go well with your representatives, okay? So if they have delayed processing your tax return, you're going to have to wait to update. A lot of people say, well, Miss Likely, I received the letter. They say it's going to take 60 days. It's going to take 120. They say it's going to take 180. And then they told me that they finished. You have to wait until everything is finalized on their end and everything is adjusted to receive your refund. Also, for your amended returns, a lot of you are showing me that you finished processing, that is finished, is complete. You still have to wait for amended tax return, even though it's complete, okay? They have completed it. Everything has to be updated. Once you see things updated, once you see things on your text transcripts, you guys update for you, then you'll be aware of your date that you're going to receive based on the refund issue date. Okay, if you have a refund that's supposed to be issued on a specific date that's on your transcript, and then you don't receive it, it's been a while, it's been a month, reach out to your bank or reach out to the IRS. Okay, if you have to go further, don't be afraid to go to those taxpayer centers location if they're still available. If you have a taxpayer place that's around your area that's close to you, you guys go to that and try to get help. If you can't get help there, go to your state congressman, either the House or your senator. If one don't work, try the other. Do not give up on your refund, you guys. I know a lot of you have been waiting. You guys patiently do not give up. Also, you guys, what I'm going to tell you about, it's a new tax season coming up too. We also know that tax refund loans going to start for holiday around November or December. So for those of you who file your get holiday refunds, most of the time it'd be November. My tax office be December for those of you who file with me. If you didn't file with me, you're not going to be eligible for the holiday loan. But the new loan or the new tax season, January the 2nd, you'll be having that chance to get those loans, okay? The preseason loan. All right. Don't forget also, you guys, I have my new books for taxpayers. You guys, we get money over here. Taxpayer Planner is on Amazon. If you're a tax pro or you're a tax professional, my book is on Amazon as well, you guys, for those of you who want a tax plan. Those planners are available for year round, meaning after 2025, 2026 is going to go on. You can use that if you haven't started already. So I have books to help you how to get a bigger refund, you guys. That's on my website, the Tax Pro Boss. Also, the book also for those of you who want to be tax professionals is also available on Amazon for me too. That's the ebook. So I have the ebooks, I have the planners, and I got how to get a bigger refund for those of you who are wanting to know how to do that for tax season 2026. Okay. I'll be giving you guys more updates as they come to me regarding your tax refund updates. Okay. For those of you who missed the beginning of this video, make sure you go back and watch. I shared information, what's coming up and what's going on with your 2025 updates of your refund. You guys go back to watch the beginning of the video. If you have any questions and comments, make sure you drop them below. Y'all have a great day and be blessed.